Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I do a 3-strand braids. Now there are 2 different ways that I do this. Now if you want to know how I do this, please do keep watching. Now let's get to this video. Okay, so this is my hair now. I did do some makeup today, as you can see. Yes. Now my hair, let's get to this. So this is the style that I have right now. I did use some oil. Again, this is my favorite oil to use. This is what I use. And I also used some edge control. This is the Shea Butter Miracle Moisture Intense Silky Edges Anti-Frizz Conditioning Gel. Yes. So I did put the gel, like, you know, in my edges, you know, right here and up here, and I also put some on this hair. Okay, so I will show you guys how, you know, I do these 3-strand braids. Now I will have a piece here. I will separate it, put this over here, and yep. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna get close to the camera. All right, so this is style number 1, obviously the one that we all know, where we separate our hair in 3 equal sides, or not really equal sides, but yeah. So here we go. So separate the hair, okay, and then we all know that we overlap each hair to one another, and we keep on braiding. Now I don't use this style on my hair a lot, just because, like, you know, like the braid always ends up looking weird, you know, having a weird direction, you know, and I don't use this style too much. So, and then we keep on braiding.
And that is style number 1. As you can you see, like the braid is like sticking up. So yeah, so that is style number 1. That's like the way that we, like most people do it.
I'm going to take some gel here, and I will put it at the end of the braid. Just like so. Okay. Okay, and I will do it one more time, just because I feel like doing it once again. Separate this. Put this over here. Once again, separate the hair into 3 equal sides, or unequal sides. Okay, so, and then we overlap the hair on top of each other, and I do have a knot over here. Okay. Okay. Overlapping. Keep overlapping, keep overlapping.
And then once you get it down, keep braiding. And then I'm going to take some gel and put some on there.
Okay, and then I will show you the other way of doing it, the other style. Okay, so I'm gonna separate this in half. Well, not really. Well, let me see. Okay, I will put this on the side. Okay, now this is kind of tricky, so gonna have your hands like this. Okay, and then separate their hair in 3 equal sides if you can. 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are not equal, but you'll see. All right, so here we go. So I'm hold the hair like this and overlap it on the other side. Get the middle one and overlap it on the other side, and keep doing that. I don't know what this is called. Okay, so I grew up, this is the type of you know, the braid that I grew up people doing. Okay, so yeah, so here we go, and then you just keep overlapping. And this is kind of, well, this towel is kind of like, you know, tiring on your arm. So keep braiding it, braiding it.
Braiding it. I'm getting tired, y'all. My hands are sore. They're getting sore. So you keep doing that till the end. Now, if you get tired, okay, you kind of get, okay, so this is how it looks like, and then you just overlap it over, and over, and over, and over, and over, and over, and over. Now one side will, you know, like this side is getting a little, the hair is getting, like, what am I trying to say? The hair is almost, you know, done, okay? So what you're going to do is get more hair on the side that has more hair and just add it. Just add it up in there and keep going over and over, over and over, over and over. That's it, and then once you get towards the end, you twirl it.
Get some gel. There you have it. And then I will show you guys one more time. So here we go. Separate it. Keep braiding over and over.
So really, I do like it doing this way because the braid comes out on nice and uniform as opposed to the other way. I don't know. Like, this way for me is much more perfection just for me because I guess I'm, like, I grew up people doing hair this way. So I got used to it, so yeah. And then, now this gel, it's not that, you know, it don't give you like a, it's not hard, you know, but it kind of does help with perfecting the hair a little bit.
So there we go. So that is the 2 different ways that I do my braids, and I would prefer this kind of way because that is the way that I've always been doing my braids, okay? So yeah, so these are the braids, and just put it back. You can tie it. This. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell thing to get notified when I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.